Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very exciting if you are planning to manifest your dream life fast and easy. My name is Shadi Amiri. Welcome to my channel. I'm a life transformation coach who has managed to transform my own life from lower than rock bottom to my dream life in less than a year. And that's exactly what I'm teaching here on this channel, because I am still manifesting every single dream of mine every single day. And I am sharing all my secrets here on this channel. So if you are interested to learn how to manifest your dream life fast and easy while you're having fun, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel and let's go learn the trick and tool that we are talking about today. Today, I'm going to show you a magical miracle um, magic wand that you could call your magic box or miracle box, depending on whatever that you want to call it. It's a box that you're going to make for yourself, and it's going to create a world of power for your manifestations. You're going to manifest your dreams using this box, and it's super powerful. It has been proven to me over and over again, and I'm going to share it with you today. So here is the box which I mentioned to you. This is my magical box. You could create your own, which I will be telling you how to do very soon. So watch to the end of the video because this is going to be very important. It has different steps that you have to do step by step, and you have to make sure you do it all. It's going to help you manifest your short-term dreams in a week, in a day, in 2 days, and your long-term dreams as fast as possible. So the first thing you want to do is to pick yourself a box that you like, something that you love, something that gives you a good feeling when you look at it, when you touch it, when you want to use it. I picked this box because it says love in Farsi on top of the box. It's the writing, it says love, and that's the main part of any kind of manifestation is love. You could write it yourself on your box. You could create your own, design your own, write loving words around it. I picked this one because I loved it. And inside the box, what you want to do is to first, before anything, you want to sage inside the box. You want to cleanse the energies inside the box. Using white sage or Palo Santo wood stick, you want to make sure you clean the energies inside your box. And next, you want to pick some crystals that are powerful enough to serve your purpose of manifestation. So the crystals which I placed in here are rose quartz, which is for love and all the emotional balance in life. It's amethyst, which is good for attracting positive energy and again a good balance within your life in every area. And I placed some citron, which are very small. I placed 4 of the citron pieces that I had in here, which attracts wealth and abundance. So these are the crystals that I wanted to put in my box. You could choose your own, pick your own crystals and put them in here. Because you have crystals in the box, you have to make sure you sage inside your box every single week, if not every day. I sage it every day. You could do it once every couple of days. You could do it every week, but make sure you do sage it because crystals need to be refreshed in energies. The second thing you want to do with your box is that you want to prepare strips of paper like this. So you're going to cut out some papers. Let me just place the box here so I can show you the papers. You're going to cut out some papers for yourself, like this size. And then you're going to write good, positive affirmations on the papers. So, for example, I have here, I wrote, I am lucky. And there are other things written here. I'll tell you what they are. Here it says, I am healthy. Here it says, I am joyful. Here, I am peaceful. I attract abundance. I am love and I am loved. So you could just come up with your own affirmations, whatever that makes you feel good, as many as you want. It doesn't matter how many pieces of paper you put in there. You could do as many as you want. Prepare yourself some affirmation strips. If you already know me, you would know that I always use the magic of shapes and numbers in my manifestations. And that's why I always manifest fast, because I use the magic of the miracle of shapes and numbers and colors and lights and all that. And it expedites my manifestation power. And for that reason, I used some numbers here. I do have a video which I talked about a magical code. The link is going to come show up on this video. Watch it after you watch this video. If you haven't watched it yet, it's a magical code which is 111%, which I wrote down here. 111%. This is a super magical code that could connect you easily to the power of the universe, which is very powerful. I use it every single day in my journaling, in my magical box, everywhere that I write, I use 111%. It's super powerful. And there are many other codes that are super powerful, even more powerful than this, but this is perfect for this box and this purpose. I also use some shapes on my strips. Some of them are just triangles. Some of them are combined with other shapes. Do not use shapes if you don't know how to use them, but because they're super powerful, because they are very, very energetic, you need to use them if you have the knowledge of how to use it and where to use it, why the shapes are used. And so for that reason, skip the part of the shapes. If you want to learn how to use the shapes, if you want to learn how to create more powerful energy in your manifestation journey, so you could manifest like I do every single day, you could manifest fast and easy, and you could become a manifestation magnet. If you want to learn all my secrets about numbers and shapes and colors and lights and how I do it, I created an online course which is called DIY Your Happy Life online course, which is a lifetime membership, and it gives out all my secrets with 18 modules, everything that I do with videos and PDFs and audios and all the things that you need to know to become a manifestation magnet of your life. It's been helping thousands of people who are members in my course. And whoever becomes a member, I coach them lifetime personally. So it's basically like an online treasure for whoever joins and whoever wants to become a manifestation magnet. If you want to check it out, it's called DIY Your Happy Life online course, and the link is in the description. Go ahead and check it out for yourself. And if you want to know more about my secrets and powers for free, you could go ahead and also check the free webinar that I have below this video in the description. That also gives out a lot of my secret. You will find out how I do manifestations and how I achieved my dream life in less than a year and how I'm manifesting every single day. So getting back to the strips here, do not use the shapes, skip that part if you don't know how to use it. And if you're not a member of my course yet, because these are very, very unique lessons, which I have never heard anywhere else. You could not really find the exact meanings of it and exact how to use and exact power of it on Google. It's like a very unique method, which I learned from my gurus. So don't just go ahead and use it. It's very super powerful, but you need to know how to use it. And I keep repeating it, it's very important. So just use the 111% on your strip and the affirmations that you want to write. That's it. Prepare your strips and then take your box, the magical box, where you added the crystals. And next, after you do this, after you sage it, after you put the strips and the crystals, you're going to take a piece of paper and you're going to write down all the things that you want to have in your life as if they already happened for you. So you could go ahead and use it for your short-term goals, or you could go ahead and use it for your long-term goals, depending on what you want to achieve faster and what's more important to you. For this one, because I already am doing other manifestations for my long-term goals, which I am 100% guaranteed sure that they're going to work for me. I have no doubt. I use this box for my short-term goals just to amplify and create more power in my short-term manifestations, and it works like a miracle every single time. It has never failed me. I use it for my short-term goals. So if I want to achieve something next month or next week or in 2 months, in 3 months, something that's much closer to me in timeline, you write it down as if they already happened in your life. So for example, you want to go for an exam, and you want to go for a job interview, you're going to write down that I got the best job interview that was meant to be mine, a job that was meant to make me happy, make me wealthy, make me joyful in my life, and I got accepted in that interview. So you don't want to name a company because you don't want to force something into your life. You're just going to leave it open to the hands of the universe. You're going to say, I got accepted for the best job that I could ever ask for, with the best income, with the best salary that I could ever ask for, and I got accepted for it very easily and smoothly. Or if you're manifesting for a partner, you want to attract the love of your life, you're going to write, I am in a relationship with an amazing partner who is exactly who I wanted to be with the you're going to write all the characteristics that you want to write. Again, you're not going to name a person because you don't want to force anyone into your life. You're going to leave it open to the hands of the universe. You're going to place, like, write all the things that you want to write. You could use like 3 pieces of paper, 4 pieces of paper. It doesn't have to be one. Write as many as you want, fold it, place it in the box, and date it. You're going to date it the dates that you wrote them. And then you're going to place it in a box. I personally open this box every single day. I check all that I wrote here. I read it one more time. I sage my box, I close it, and I put it back on the shelf. That's what I do. You could do it too. If you don't want to do that, just leave it there for a week. And there is one more thing I forgot to mention you have to put in your box. It's a cinnamon stick. You have to place in your box because it brings a lot of positive energies, a lot of creativity. It gives an amazing energy flow to wherever you place the cinnamon stick. So you want to place one in your box, and then you're gonna just open it and read it every day if you like. If not, just leave it there for a week. And after 1 week, after 7 days, you're gonna open your box again. You're gonna take only the paper that you wrote your manifestations on. You're gonna leave the strips in here. You're not gonna touch the strips. Leave it in here. Leave the crystals in there. Leave the cinnamon stick in here. Don't touch it. Don't take it out. You're only gonna take out the paper that you wrote for the manifestation. You're going to take it outside, outdoors, and you're going to burn it all the way to the end. You're gonna burn it all, and while you're burning it, you're going to use the affirmation and say out loud, Dear Universe, by burning this piece of paper, I'm sending out all my manifestations to you in your hand, and I have no doubt that you will be making them all come true for me very soon. You're going to repeat this affirmation as if you're talking to the universe, as if the universe is a human and is listening to you, and you're asking the universe that I'm burning this to send it to you, to give it to you so that you could create the magic for me. And then after you're done with burning it, you're going to write again another piece of manifestation, place it in the box, sage it again, and put it back on the shelf. And you could hide it in your closet if you want to. I put it on the shelf, as you can see on this display on my living room, where I placed all my other crystals, my sage, and all my spiritual things that I love. It's my holy wall and I love it. But you could hide it, you could put it in the closet, you could put it anywhere that you want to place it. And don't forget, you have to sage this frequently because of the power of the crystals in here. It has to be saged. You want to reset the energies always. I sage it every single day. You could sage it once a week if you want to and if you choose to. So I hope you did like this manifestation hack. This has never failed me ever. Every time I tried it, it has brought so much wow in my life. And I have even manifested things that I could not believe that could happen so fast, but they did happen so fast. been manifesting big, large amounts of money and wealth and abundance. I've been manifesting so many things, and like love and respect and joy and success and health and so many things using this method, and using, of course, many other methods that I use in my um, course, in my online course, which I just talked about, DIY Your Happy Life online course, where I have added all my secrets step by step for everyone who wants to become a manifestation magnet. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your loved ones, because it's going to bring a lot of good karma for you. um, it's going to help you, it's going to help them, it's going to create a good karma for you in your life. So share it with your loved ones, and don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and watch the other video if you haven't already watched it yet. The other video which I talk about the 111% magic, or there are some other videos that I talk about some shapes. Maybe you could start using them in your strips for now. And if you do want to get more advanced and become more powerful, then the online course is here for you. I love you. I am rooting for you. Thank you so much for watching this video today, and thank you so much for being here with me today. I will see you soon. I will see you next week. Lots of love to you. Have an amazing day. Goodbye.